Good day again and welcome to a new video on the channel Carful. It is the first video of the year, so Happy New Year to all of you, and I wish you all the best in the coming year and good health and staying away from the coronavirus. That being said, we are going to start mention some videos that we are going to make in the near future about the yellow Corvette here. There are some electrical issues that appear every now and then, and it is of course very difficult to work on when it doesn't happen. So we will have to wait until it so every time when the issue appears, I will try to look where it is, and if I can find it, I will try to repair it. That's one for the yellow Corvette. Then, of course, we have the red Corvette outside of my son. We will go there in a minute. But first, since we are in the garage here, something about the Mercedes CLS here. We are going to do a video on the parking issue. I don't know if it is an issue, but there is an automatic parking program in the Mercedes, and it doesn't work flawless. Sometimes it will work, sometimes it won't. We will try to show you that, and also what does it do when we interfere with our hands and try to help the program. What does it then do? We will do a video on that too in the near future, so stay tuned for that too. Then of course we have the red Corvette here, the red Corvette of my son. There are some issues. You see the stance here in the rear is a little bit too high, and we will have to look for some new threads to bolt on the monoleaf, because the ones that are on it now are too short and it lifts the car too high. The stance isn't like it should be. So that is one thing we will do in the future. Then the front suspension, I believe it is on the left side. The spring of the front suspension is displaced, and when we are driving on the road and there is a bump, the spring can touch the chassis, the cross member where it is going through. So that's a very frightening noise, and because of this displacement, the alignment isn't correct anymore. So that is something that we have to work on too, and that's going to be a fun video too. Do I know how to do that? No, I will have to look it up. All those things, the longer threads for the monoleaf, I can't find it on the internet, so if any one of you can give me some tips, or it has to be a steel one, not plain iron. I can find them enough too, but it has to be a steel one, so it has to be safe. So that's for the red Corvette, guys. Then we have some reparations that we did on some tools, a car jack, and there is still another one. I have still another one here. that I have to repair, but I already repaired one, and I can show you that too. And then is there a reparation of an air compressor. So that's going to be a fun video too. So that is the plan for the near future, and I will hope that you are staying tuned for them. So see you in the next videos. So if you like this one, hit thumbs up, consider subscribing for everything that is coming, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss on any of the new videos that are going to come. Bye.